Welcome to this guided meditation. Find a comfortable position. You may sit or lie down. Allow your hands to rest gently. Relax your shoulders. Soften the face. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in. And slowly breathe out. Again. Breathe in. And breathe out. Allow the body to relax. Allow the mind to slow down. There is nowhere to go. Nothing to achieve. Just this moment. Bring your awareness to the breath. Do not change the breath. Simply observe it. Feel the air as you breathe in. Feel the air as you breathe out. Notice the gentle rise of the chest and the soft fall as you exhale. Breathing in breathing out. If the mind wanders, gently bring it back to the breath. Again and again. Return to the breath. The breath is always in the present moment. The breath brings the mind to stillness. Stay here for a few moments. Awareness now. Bring awareness to the body. Feel the weight of the body resting. Bring awareness to the feet. Relax the feet. Relax the ankles. Relax the lower legs. Relax the knees. Relax the thighs. Relax the hips. Relax the abdomen. Relax the chest. Relax the shoulders. Relax the arms. Relax the hands. Relax the neck. Relax the face. Relax the eyes. Relax the forehead. Relax the whole body. Feel the whole body relaxed and still. The body is relaxed. The breath is calm. The mind is becoming quiet. Now imagine you are walking slowly. The air is fresh. And calm. You feel safe. You feel peaceful. There is a gentle breeze. You can hear soft, natural sounds around you. Maybe birds, maybe water, maybe leaves moving in the wind. You continue walking slowly. In front of you, you see a peaceful place to sit. You sit down and rest. You look around. Everything is calm. Everything is still. You feel completely relaxed. Rest here for a few moments. Now, bring your awareness back to the breath. Breathing in, breathing out. Become aware of the stillness in the mind. You are awake. You are aware. But deeply relaxed. Just observing. Just being. No need to control anything. Just remain aware and relaxed. Silence. Stillness. Awareness. Stay here for a few moments. Now begin to deepen your breath. Feel the body again. Feel the place where you are resting. Become aware of the room around you. Gently move your fingers. Gently move your toes. Take a slow, deep breath in. And slowly breathe out. Bring the palms together. And rub them gently. Place the warm palms over the eyes. Slowly open your eyes into the palms. And gently release the hands. Remain calm. Remain peaceful. Carry this awareness with you. Into the rest of your day. Your meditation is complete.